So I just want to go through watercolour materials so we're clear on the sorts of things that you can use to produce watercolours. Firstly, you've got the watercolours themselves, and you've got a couple of different types. The type that I've asked you guys to try and source are these ones. The Koh-I-Noor is the brand, and they're a series of circular pans. To get those pans going, it's a good idea just to give them a spray with water. That just gets the colour working. So that's a good plan to do. Now, also these get quite mucky and wet. Always clean it before you clip them back together, or they get stuck. If they do get stuck, hot water will normally remove them. So that's the first type. The second type, same sort of thing. This is just a different type. It's Koh-I-Noor as well, but it's quite a different colour palette. So same, but not quite as bright and vivid as the Koh-I-Noors. Then you can get watercolours in all sorts of handy travel kits. This is my travel one, which I've taken overseas with me. It's very sweet, so it's got a little brush there that actually folds right down. And again, pans. These little pans can come out. So this is a Winsor & Newton set. So the pans can pop out when you run out and you can replace them. This set, there's a Patio, is the brand. Patio Watercolour Aquarelle is the brand. And again, same thing, they come in little separate pans. So these pans can, I don't know if I can get, yeah, there you go, unclip, and you can replace individual pans, which is a really handy thing and makes it quite economical. These come in different sizes. This is a 24 set. I think they go up to maybe 36 or even 72. This is quite a sweet set, these ones. The brand, I think it's something like Koh. Oh, there we are, Koh-I watercolours. This is called a field sketch box, and basically you can sit that across there, and then it's got this is a little water pen which screws into there, and you can squeeze water onto the pan. So it's quite a sweet little, quite practical design. Not hugely expensive, but a nice little set. This set, these are interesting. These are a Japanese brand called Gansai Tambi, and these again come in really quite a large variety of sets. Quite lovely. They're a little bit of a cross between gouache and watercolour, so they're a little bit more opaque than standard watercolour. And lastly, these are